Hello people, and today I am going to be showcasing a Lagswitch script. So basically this script dates all the way back to like 10,000 BC. It's like probably one of like the oldest scripts that I've ever seen fucking people use. This is like before like exploiting type shit. Like people used to do this with like fucking, I forgot what they did it with, but they did like other fucking programs. But this is just a simple script. I have it loaded. You just click X and basically it'll turn it on. So if you don't know what a lag switch is, I got my alt account right here showed up. So basically you just press X, and wherever you press X your character will be stuck there on their screen, but whenever you can move around on your screen, and then whenever you're ready you just hit X again, and it basically would just put you wherever you're at. So people used to use this back then for like fighting games and shit. I still don't know if it fucking works well for fighting games, but you can try it out. That's really it. It's a basic fucking script. It's like fucking Fly or ESP. It's just something you have. And yeah, that's it. So me and Dwayne The Rock Johnson are gone now. So adios.